Welcome you all dear students. This is part second of our topic quadrilateral. Dear students, if you remember, we have studied some properties of a quadrilateral in our previous topic. So based on those properties, we have an exercise. Question first. We have a quadrilateral ABDC. We have to find out the adjacent sides and opposite sides. Dear students, if you remember, adjacent sides are those sides which share a common vertex. Here, if AB and BD are two lines, they share a common vertex B, then AB and BD are adjacent sides. Similarly, BD and CD are adjacent sides because D is the common vertex. Here, AC and CD are adjacent sides because C is the common vertex. And finally, AB and AC are adjacent sides because they share a common vertex E. Question second. Which of the following groups of angles can be the four angles of a quadrilateral? The first part is 95 degree, 98 degree, 102 degree, 75 degree. Dear students, if you remember, we have already studied a property of a quadrilateral. We have proved that the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now let us add them all. The given angles, we get 95 plus 98 plus 102 plus 75. That becomes 370 degree. That is more than 360 degree. From this concept, we can clearly say that the given angles are not the angles of a quadrilateral. Similarly, you can check B part and C part. Question 4 is, we have to draw a quadrilateral PQRS and we have to find out the adjacent sides and adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. Adjacent sides are those sides which share a common vertex. So if P is a common vertex between line PQ and PS, then PQ and PS are the adjacent sides. Same, PQ and QR are the adjacent sides because Q is the common vertex, and similarly QR and SR are the adjacent sides, and finally PS and SR are the adjacent sides. Now we have to find out the adjacent angles. Dear students, adjacent side angles are those angles which share a common line. That means if PS is the common line between angle P and angle S, then angle P and angle S are the adjacent angles. Same, angle S and angle R are the adjacent angles because SR is the common line. And angle Q, angle R are the adjacent angles because QR is the common line. Question 5. We have a quadrilateral whose two angles are 90 degree and 110 degree, and the other two angles are equal. We have to find the equal angles. Let us suppose the equal angles be X, and we know the property that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can add all these four angles, that will add up to 360 degree. So 90 plus 110 degree plus X plus X, that will become 360 degree. While adding previous term 90 plus 110, that will become 200, and X plus X, that will become 2X. That is definitely equal to 360 degree. Yes, you should remember we have to find out the value of X. So 200 should be on right hand side because we transpose it, and it is positive here, and it will become negative on the right hand side. So we get 2x is equal to 360 minus 200. 360 minus 200 will become 160. So the value of x is 160 divided by 2, because while transposing 2, it is multiple here, so it will become divide on the right hand side. So the value of x is 80 degree. So hence the two equal angles are 80 degree and 80 degree. Question 6. We have four angles of a quadrilateral. They are in the ratio of 2:3:5:8. We have to find each angle. Dear students, let us suppose our first angle is 2 times x, and the second angle will be 3x, and third angle will be 5x, and finally fourth angle will be 8x. We have to find the value of x first. Now we know the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral sum up to 360 degree. So that means if we add them all, 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x, that is equal to 360 degree. That will become 18x. 18x must be equal to 360 degree. So transposing this 18, it is multiple here, so it will become divide on right hand side. So x is equal to 360 degree divided by 18. 360 divided by 18 is equal to 20 degree. Since we have obtained the value of x, that is the value of x is 20 degree, so we can find out all the angles now. So first angle is 2x, that is 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. Second angle is 3x, that is 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. Third angle is 5x, that is 5 into 20, that is equal to 100 degree. And fourth angle is 8x, that is 8 into 20. So our four angles are 40 degree, 60 degree, 100 degree and 160 degree. Dear students, do question 7 by your own. Thank you for watching.